Most parents actually overpay for teen car insurance without realizing this. There are actually 3 things your teen can do to qualify for a teen driver discount, and any one of these 3 things can change your rate immediately. So stick with me, as tip number 3 is where the big savings can happen. Firstly, some insurance companies will offer a teen driver discount if your teen does a certain number of hours with a commercial driving school. As the owner of a driving school, we have found that specific number being 6 hours. However, all insurance companies are different, so we always recommend calling your insurance company first, seeing if this is something they do provide, and if so, how many hours does your teen need in order to get the discount. Your certified driving school can then provide you with the certificate proving that they have completed that number of hours. So this is a win-win, as your student will get the professional instruction and you get the teen driver discount. Secondly, if your teen takes driver's education through your local school system, some companies will give you the teen driver discount just for taking the class. So their class time turns into some real savings. And thirdly, and this one can actually lead to the biggest savings of them all, good grades. Their report card could lead to the biggest savings on your teen's car insurance. So be sure to ask your insurance company if they offer a good grades discount. So there you have it, 3 ways to possibly save on your teen's car insurance. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit subscribe and drop any questions you have about teaching your teen to drive in the comments below.